Facing a critical Windows failure due to the Sysclass Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's implement the official repair path today. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Sysclass Library, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the Sysclass Library, the System Class Installer Library. It manages the localized installation and registration of core localized system hardware classes, such as localized CPUs, local buses, and localized motherboard resources. Mandatory for the Localized device manager to accurately categorize and update localized chipset drivers. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft Redistributable. Errors involving Sysclass Library DLL typically indicate that the localized system class manifest files within your application are damaged, so reinstalling the specific software you are using that is throwing the error will refresh the local file tree and restore the module. If no luck was had with the Redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Sysclass Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the Redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Using an incorrect or unverified version of Sysclass Library DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to Sysclass Library. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Sysclass Library from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.